Got a nice little Kewanee running gear. Good and tight in the front end. Little bit of play in the edge of the tongue there where it hooks on, but not much. Got a good bed. It's got a hydraulic auger on it. Bed's good down at the bottom there. They've got a non-factory Welds on it where they have fixed some things, but they did a nice job. It's a Killbros bed. Kewanee, I believe, 45 running gear. It's got the plastic hydraulic Killbros auger on it. The auger is a 6-inch, and it is 12 feet long. But it's real good inside, but they have repaired it, which is okay. They did a very nice job. They did it kind of professionally looking there, if you want to look in there. And so they had a little bit of wear, and they decided to go ahead and spruce it up. It does have an extension tongue on this running gear. These are 6-hole wheels on these, so it's probably like an 8-ton running gear, I would guess. And this bed's 10 feet long and 6 feet wide, should be. Let's check it. 10 feet long. Right there's a non-factory weld on that corner. Can't tell from the inside, 6 feet wide.